Hello everyone, I'm Marilyn from Jazzy's Creation Design, and today I'm going to show you my holiday gift from Xyron. This was on my Christmas list. Super excited to show you guys what I'm going to do with it. As you can see, it's still in its package, so I've been waiting for you to show you guys this. It's a click and store 4-drawer craft storage box. So let's get started. So here is the click and store storage box. I'm super excited to open this. It's a little bit bigger than what I thought, which is great. Bigger, more storage, perfect. So when I saw this online, I thought perfect Christmas gift for any crafter out there. All you have to do is put it together and store some stuff inside and done. So we are going to put this together and I'm going to show you step by step how I did it and what I stored inside, and then add the ribbon, of course. So once you have everything unpacked, as you can see, there's a couple of pieces. It's a little overwhelming, to be honest. There are some instructions that show step by step how to go about it. I promise it gets easier as you go. Once you do one, then the others follow. So I would recommend to start with the drawers. Just start making all of the drawers. The box in the package can be a little bit overwhelming with how much there is, but don't worry, once you put one together, the rest just follow. I'm putting one together in regular speed just to show you how easy it is. So I just folded the sides and snapped on the pieces. That's it. As you can see here, I am just snapping each corner, folding and snap. For this first one, I had a little trouble just because I needed to make sure they were aligned properly. So just make sure they align properly so you can snap them in the right place. And that's it. So here are the next 3 drawers. I'm doing the same thing. Just fold, 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 snap, snap, snap. Okay, for the last piece is the big box. As you can see, the next steps. So for this part, you just want to make sure you have the tape on the inside. Then just start on one side, one corner. It's just like building a box. On to the next step. So for this part, you just want to make sure you have the little hook on the outside and the triangle pieces on the bottom facing down. That's it, you guys. That's all you have to do. So it also comes with some labels that you can add on your own. So for the gift idea, make sure you get really creative with these labels. Some of the ones that I thought that were really cute was sticking together for your washi tape or sticker maker products, or fa la 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 with, or your foil or glitter stuff, or to keep you jolly. Just get really creative with the tags. So once you have it stuffed with goodies, remember you can put scissors, you can put stickers, you can put paper. There's lots of space that you can put lots of things inside. Once you have all that put together, I would suggest to use a thick ribbon and create a bow. One, because it's pretty and easier to carry if you make a handle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys ended up stuffing your storage box with. Happy holidays.